This video will explore the versatility of the Smeg ECF03 Espresso Coffee Machine, designed to create a wide variety of hot drinks with ease, as well as refreshing cold brew options, all from the comfort of your home. Before preparing any coffee, it's important to understand the role of the filter basket. The Smeg ECF03 is supplied with two distinct types, a double-walled and a single-walled espresso basket. Whilst they may appear similar, they're designed to deliver different results. The double-walled basket, also known as the pressurized filter, is designed to simplify the brewing process. It creates internal pressure during extraction, helping to produce a consistent espresso even when variables such as grind size or tamping techniques are less precise. This basket is particularly suitable when using pre-ground coffee or for users who are new to espresso preparation. It delivers a reliable result with minimal adjustment. The single-walled basket offers a more traditional espresso experience. With this filter, the quality of the extraction is determined entirely by the user's control over grind size, dose, and tamping pressure. When used correctly with freshly ground coffee, it produces a more refined espresso, characterised by greater balance, depth, and clarity of flavour. For tips on producing the perfect espresso, please click on the link in the description. We're going to begin with the classic espresso using a single-walled basket. For optimal results, use freshly ground coffee that has been finely ground. We've used the Smeg CGF03, which provides the option to grind to a superfine, fine and medium level. Add your ground coffee to the portafilter, tamp firmly and lock it securely into place. Select your shot and within seconds you'll have a rich aromatic espresso with a velvety smooth crema. For a longer coffee you may prefer an Americano. Using the same fine espresso grind, begin by dispensing hot water via the steam wand, then add a freshly brewed espresso. The result is a lighter, more delicate coffee, ideal for everyday enjoyment. To create a cappuccino, start by preparing an espresso using a fine grind. Then steam your milk, introducing air to achieve a thick, velvety foam. Pour the milk over your espresso, finishing with a gentle layer of foam for a perfectly balanced drink. For a smoother, creamier option, prepare a latte. Again, using a fine grind with your espresso, steam the milk to a silky texture with minimal foam. Pour carefully over the espresso to create a refined, well-integrated drink with a delicate finish. The ECF03 also offers excellent flexibility for non-coffee beverages. Use a steam wand to heat and froth milk, ideal for creating rich and indulgent hot chocolate. Simply add your chosen chocolate and stir until smooth. Additionally, the hot water function can be used for tea or herbal infusions, further enhancing the machine's versatility. To learn how to prepare a delicious cold brew using the ECF03, please follow the link provided in the description. With its intuitive controls and timeless design, the Smeg ECF03 allows you to create a wide variety of beverages, crafted precisely to your preference. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.